Amingwit na sabta. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Filipina in the UK. So today we're going fishing again.
But this time's in the canal.
Okay, come here. What?
This time's in the canal.
Okay, we'll do some walking today. A big walk today.
30 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes to get there.
Yeah.
So, come on, let's go walk.
Yeah, a long way.
Let's go, let's go. Come on, addict fishing. It's a bonding time, guys. It's Sunday today. So, yeah. Bonding is some fishing, gardening. I will do some weeding tomorrow. Is any car coming, Jackson? Yeah, it's a canal. But we are not fishing in there. No. We're gonna go. Huh?
Lots of little fish there.
Oh,
Days.
you can see that? That's a days, yeah?
Lots of days, yeah.
Oh, lots of days. It should be a good fishing today, based at the weather. Bit cloudy, not so hot. Tomorrow is hot. Oh, that's a pretty flower, Sunny.
And so pretty fur flies.
It's geranium. True geranium.
Huh?
True geranium.
Geranium?
Geranium.
It's pretty. Bloody hell, it's a heavy this bucket. I don't know. My husband put some gold in it. It's so bloody heavy.
He can put some heavy stuff in there.
Yeah, this is all the bait.
Bait.
Yeah, we're gonna catch lots of fish today.
Imagine those old nuggets in there.
That's the boat. That's the bridge.
Yep, that's good.
Okay, let's go.
Bridge 70.
Huh?
Bridge
Oh,
70.
yeah, big fish there. There's more fish, I don't know what the hell that was.
Oh, this is gonna be a long walk.
Yep. For me and us.
Poor you? You are the one who you're the responsible of all of this. It's a butterfly, Nak.
What's this one? Oh, lots here.
Is this a butterfly in here?
Lots of
Or
butterflies.
moth?
No, butterflies.
Uh,
Yeah, come on, just go. Come on. If our dog was here, I would say, if our dog was here, I would say, come on, Skip.
okay.
Come on, like that.
So you're so excited, are you?
Well,
Huh?
happy one day.
Mm-hmm. Excited this one. We're doing our best to make this addict happy. Yeah. So we're halfway there now, guys. This is Jack's spot. Before, this is the last time this is where the last time we fishing. But today we decided to go up to the turning of that lock. So keep going, walking. Okay, we're nearly there, guys. We're nearly there. There we are. Oh yeah. There you go. That's the turning. We're gonna go fishing this side. Here we go, guys.
Yeah.
Here we are. I'm exhausted. It's heavy to carry this bloody bucket. It's 10 kilos, is this? This is the boss. What, you want boss? So bossy, this guy. Yes, nice place, husbands. We're fishing in once. And then, yeah, it's a lots of big road here. So we're gonna try fishing a decent inch or whatever. Yeah, Now we're doing the rod. That was a really good walking.
Exercise ourselves.
Really good walk.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna set our rod up. Do the net mo.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh. Okay, boss. Ready? Show your muscles. Are your muscles ready now?
Yeah, not fine.
Look just once, guys. Okay. Look at that muscles. Wow. Look at that muscles, guys. That's a like solid like rock.
Now, let's get to it.
How's your muscles, dude?
I'm fine.
No, this my husband's muscles. Show your muscles, honey.
I have no muscles.
You said you have pure muscles. I want to see the pure muscles now.
This is pure muscle.
Wow, have you heard that, guys? That's my husband's muscles.
Who needs a six-pack when you've got a barrel?
Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys. Jack got one now.
I got it.
Well done, dude. Okay.
Oh, it's fighting.
It's fighting, is it? Not bad. Okay, now. Okay, honey. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, Nak. Wow.
What a good fish.
Shoot it, Nak. Wow, that's a big one.
Look at that, guys.
Wait a minute.
Turn the camera, dude.
Okay.
Look
Here you
at
go.
this, guys. It's a big fish. This is 1 pounder by looks.
Yeah. That is
It's the biggest
roach.
roach. Yeah, biggest wood. Roach. Roach, yeah.
Okay, guys. Here's my first chub ever. This is my biggest chub ever. This is my first chub I caught.
Well done, Mama.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks good, okay.
That's a good fish. Put him in the net, Mama.
Okay. Good. Well done. I think it's a car.
Got my head.
Oh my goodness. My head.
Invalid Mama.
This got a what? Wow, that's beautiful, Anak. Wow.
Wow.
Towards me, Nak.
Turn it. That's it. That's better.
There you go.
Beautiful golden rod.
Yeah.
Now let's put it back.
Okay, put it back.
When-
Yeah, in the.
Throw this fish out. How many fish we caught?
Okay.
Oh, I can feel hundreds in here.
Help him, I think.
I'm fine.
Wow. Come on, Nak. Oh, don't drop it.
Wow. Wow, Jack, that's a lot of fish.
Wow.
Wow, look at
You
that.
can see that we are having a good time here. Having a good time, having a good time. Wow.
Ah, fish.
That's what the chub that I caught.
Chub.
Good chub.
Put him back in, Jack.
Okay, I'll put all of it.
Good boy. Okay.
To the water.
And then
Big
that's
roach-
the
big roach,
Jack's big roach.
Good.
Road. Look at that.
Roach.
Lots of fish. Look.
Good.
There. Can I put it in the water? Put it back. Wow. This looks like sardines. You're gonna put that in the tin.
Wow.
Hmm?
Bream. Bream.
Scotty.
Come on, Nak. Faster,
Bream.
Nak.
Here we go. We got Boeing here.
Bream.
Come on, I'm gonna help.
Bream.
This is
Bream.
the beautiful road. There we go, guys. Done fishing. So we have to, huh?
Get there before it gets dark.
Yeah. What time now then?
10 to 9.
10 to 9.
Yeah.
Wow. We started at 8 p.m. Yeah. 5 p.m.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, 5 p.m. to 9 o'clock. Wow. Oh, we're having a good time. You're enjoying it a lot. You don't want to go home. Mostly he's the one who said, come on, let's go. 10 minutes. Then 30 minutes. So,
See the sea dads? That's off the yellow, you know the yellow iris?
Oh yeah, I can see
yeah,
that.
iris, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good fishing day, Svens.
Really good. See the reed mace? With the brown top?
Really nice weather today.
Beautiful, yeah. Lots of yellow flowers. Lots of water.
Now we're on the way back. I have to walk 40 minutes.
That's a slug. That's good.
Wow!
On there.
Oh, that's a... What the heck?
The
Yeah,
good chocolate.
slug.
There. See my
And then
finger?
that
Longer than
slug.
my finger.
Mm. And there's another one. Look, this is the baby one. Look. There's another. It looks like a poop. There's another one. Wow. She looks like a poop. Oh. And wow, that's a lot of birds.
Where are we? What? Oh, crows.
Crows, eh?
Can't hear them calling.
Wow.
I thought they were going in the pottle with the...
Oh yeah, in the field now. Ah, yeah. It's in the trees.
They're crows, you know. They're not rooks.
Are there crows?
Listen. Crows. Wow. That's a lot of crows.
Here you go, guys. My husband is carrying my bucket because I'm aching. Yeah, I hurt my hip. I'm just a puppy, you know, and I'm aching already. That's not a good sign. Oh dear me. Yeah, it's just my hip hurts. This is it. When you get old. Finally, we're here, guys. Yay! It's avocado. Yeah, finally we're in the car.
What time now?
What time now?
9:13. It's not
Yeah.
bad. 23 minutes. 25 minutes.
Finally, I can sit down. Because when I'm fishing, I don't sit. So I didn't sit for 5 hours. That's why I'm aching. Oh my god, my hip. Oh dear. So yeah,
Bridge.
that's
We gotta go over now.
yeah, it's a deep
Steep.
bridge. Yeah. So we have to blow the horn in case that. Yeah, we're so high. Ah! So that's all for us today, guys. See you in our next video. Bye.